It's a 2019 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. The Stelvio's voluptuous body wraps around a turbocharged engine, sure-footed chassis, and meticulously crafted leather interior. It's the SUV only Italy could build. And all 2019 models have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and refrigerated box located in the console. Luxury SUV, high-performance SUV. However you want to label the Stelvio, it's prepared to take you everywhere. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.